Hi guys, it's Michelle. Today I'm going to show you around my kitchen, but I'm also going to show you how I made a pantry sign, a coffee bar sign, and how I personalized some kitchen towels. So first thing is, this video is sponsored by Cricut, you guys. I'm going to tell you what a Cricut is, and I'm going to show you how I did all of these myself. I have the Cricut Maker 3, and it's basically a smart cutting machine, and it cuts all types of materials, and it does precision cuts on very delicate materials. That's what the Cricut is. So the first thing you do to get started is to download the Cricut Design Space. It's absolutely free. You can do it on your phone, your computer, or your iPad. And basically, this is how you will create your design. If you don't want to create your own design, you can do like what I did. I basically just went in there and searched on what it is I was looking for. So I wanted something coffee related. So I found this Coffee Queen, which I absolutely love, and it allows you to size it up or down based on, the size that you want it to cut. So I based it on, of course, the piece of wood that I wanted to put it on. But what I love about the Cricut is that it'll cut so many different materials, and I'll show you the kind of material that I use in order to put these projects together. When I first received it, I was a little bit intimidated. But as I started using it, I realized how simple it is and how if you just look on the screen and follow the instructions, you can't go wrong. So first thing I had to do was select whether I want to cut with or without a mat. I'm going to cut without a mat because I have the Cricut Maker 3 and it does not need a mat. The next step is just to go ahead and click continue, and that's in the lower right hand corner if you don't need to change anything on this screen. So I'm going to go ahead and click that. Now the next thing that happens here is you select the type of material that you're using. So I am using the Smart Vinyl Permanent. That is the type of vinyl that I'm using because I don't want these to come back off. And then now you just pretty much follow the instructions on the screen. When you load the material, it's going to measure that you do have enough material loaded in order to finish your project. And I'm going to show you what that looks like in a minute. So I have the actual Cricut holder that holds the material for you, and I'm going to show you that as well. So this is the Cricut holder. So you can put a whole roll of material in there, and that's going to come in handy for when you have a lot of different projects that you're working on. And you just basically feed it into the machine. It's very simple. It has guides on it. And follow the instructions on the screen. And once it starts cutting, I tell you, it cuts so fast that I stepped away to get a sip of water, and it was literally done. I mean, like a few steps away, and it was literally done cutting by the time I stepped right back in the kitchen. I absolutely love this. I'm excited about all the projects that I'm going to make for Christmas. My sisters already have asked me for a pantry sign. Like, I'm going to show you how I made the pantry sign. So it's actually cutting the pantry sign right now, I believe. Yes. No, it's actually cutting the coffee maker sign right now, but I'm going to start off by showing you how I did the pantry sign. We'll get back to the coffee sign in a minute. And I love this built-in cutter as well. You can just cut the material as soon as it gets done. Love it. So you're going to need a weeder. That's what I have in my hands, and you're basically going to peel away all of the parts of it that you don't want to keep. And then you're going to use some transfer tape and smooth it down so that the design can be transferred onto this clear tape. And then that's how you're going to apply it to whatever you're working with, if you're working with wood or fabric or what have you. And I'm going to quickly show you how I embellish this pantry sign. I just used some greenery that I had gotten from Hobby Lobby and some ribbon that I got from Joann's. And I'm just going to show you kind of basic right now, and then I'll come back and show you at the end what the finished look is. So here it is. I absolutely love it. It's so cute. And now I followed the same process for my coffee sign. So I am using the transfer tape right here, and I'm just pressing it down until the entire design has been transferred. These signs, if you're wondering, are from Hobby Lobby, and they did have them at 50% off. I think this one was $7. Isn't that cute on the coffee bar? I've wanted something different on this coffee bar for a while now, and this definitely is it. So I'm transferring now to these dish towels, and this is some beautiful gold glitter permanent vinyl. Now guys, I apologize, but I did lose some footage. I am using the Easy Press right here to transfer the design to the dish towel, but I did lose my footage right here as I was pressing. But you would just press on the front side for 30 seconds and turn it over and press on the back side for 15 seconds. So guys, if you have any questions about the Cricut Maker or anything that you've seen in the video, definitely let me know in the comments. And like I said, I do have a link in my description box if you would like to learn more about the Cricut Maker 3 or the other types of Cricut machines. So guys, I want to thank you all for watching, and I want to thank Cricut for sponsoring this video, and I will see you in the next one.
Much of emotions, sometimes I'm the light, don't wanna pick a fight with, everything seems so good, I guess I can't help myself, would you call me?